How to use Bath and Body Works promo code. Let's get started. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how to get Bath and Body promo code. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in Bath and Body promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, coupon follow, as this is a legit website. Once you're in the website, scroll down and check out the offers. $30 off, 50% off, $20 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Go ahead and click on it. You're gonna get the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on redeem at Bath and Body Works. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the official website, you'll need to provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, pick the items that you want to purchase and check out. While you are on the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of code. Over there, paste the copied code and confirm your purchase. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers. So this is how you can easily use Bath and Body Works promo code. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.